100% jute. Imported. For your table, this table runner measures 14 by 72 inches in size, appropriate for a table that can seat 4 to 6 people. Easy care. Mine is 100% jute/burlap, shake briskly and wipe with damp sponge or cloth. Adds a finishing touch. I set pumpkins atop our table runners to create spooky Halloween scenes with decorative spiders and creepy cobwebs in your haunted house. Enhance your home, capture the spooky spirit of the holiday by leaving Halloween candy on our table runner to delight both grown-ups and trick-or-treaters. For more Halloween decor, DII offers delightful home products including cloth napkins, napkin rings, placemats and tablecloths. Click the DII link at the top of the page to explore out collections or search DII Halloween Table Tops. DII offers full collections of trend-based designs, bringing you fresh, innovative lines of quality home and garden products for every season. Let DII products become a valuable part of your life. Top reviews from the United States. The burlap is better than expected, but pattern different than I thought. I originally saw this on another site and thought I'll see if Amazon has it. Sure enough, they did. I was a little concerned at first, because this is burlap and burlap is often pretty stiff. I didn't want to have to do heavy-duty ironing to make it look okay. But, the design was just so cute I decided to try it. Turns out this is soft for a burlap. It laid mostly flat as soon as I put it out. The picture is right after I put it on the table with no ironing. There is a slight bump on the center fold, but for the most part it isn't noticeable unless you're eye level with the table. The pattern is just a hair different than what I expected. I thought all of the haunted houses would be like the one on the end there. The ghost pattern you see are only at the ends. Then there is an alternating design of the witch and a haunted house bat scene, which you can kind of see in the display pic.